Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna talk about some retro drops. For those who don't know what is retro drop, it might be some reward for your early using of websites, DeFi apps, bridges, swaps, and different. So not every website or project might give you some tokens. Nobody can guarantee 100% that they're gonna give it to you, but now it's normal practice and you can earn good amount just making few clicks. So first project I want to talk to you is Leap Wallet. Here it is. And Leap Wallet is Terra Luna wallet. And for my opinion, crypto wallet is new trend in crypto. And if you want to know why, just write some comments below this video and I will make another video about that. Actually, testnet of this wallet is available since 2021, but recently they collected 3.2 million from private sale from different investors headed by CoinFound and Pantera Capital. And this is a good hint of a retro drop. So what you're gonna do? First step, guys, just let's go to next website called form.leapwallet.io. Here, we're gonna apply for testnet for iOS or Android app. Just write here your mail, any mail, for example, max.gmail.com, and just subscribe. All right, cool. So here it is. Then we're gonna go to official website leapwallet.io. Here we can find install Leap, and we're gonna go to download their wallet. All right, so press this blue button because I already have it here. I cannot download it again. I already have it here. So you just go ahead, press here, download, and then go in. All right, so after you register your wallet here, just let's go in. First step we're gonna do, third step, whatever. We move to settings and then switch to testnet right here. Then go back. All right, then we're gonna go to another website. Here it is. We're gonna copy our address right here. Press I'm not a robot, and then paste your address here. So on this website, we're gonna ask for some testnet tokens. So send me tokens. Press one more time, I'm not a robot. All right, successfully. Now we can see we have much more tokens. Normally they send 5, I guess, or something. All right, here it is. So now we do several steps. For example, we can go here, just switch our Luna to any different tokens, for example, UST. So let's go, for example, 4. Don't forget to pay commissions. Review. All right, then press swap. So next thing we can do, on the first page, we can press Luna here, then Stater Labs staking here. We can press stake, then let's go 2, for example, right? They're gonna convert to Luna X and then stake again. Done. All right, as you can see, now we have 4, before we had 6. And last thing also we can do, we can download another wallet, another window of our Google, then just send your tokens to another address. Any amount, for example, 3. Yeah, let's go. Done. All right, guys, and last thing you can do, you can go back, then switch back to mainnet, deposit some normal tokens here, and do exactly the same stuff. You can stake, you can send to another address, and also you can just making some swaps. And doing this thing once per 3 days, you might earn good retro drop. Right guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.